Welcome, fellow Creeper Warriors. It's me, Half-Cold Creeper, the third base Creeper in the universe. And today, we are playing Cats. Again. And last time we did this bet, which is going to happen in like 5 seconds. So let's start it. Okay, let's watch. Okay. No! Oh! No, I don't really care. So I can put a bet. Let's see. Which one looks like he's most likely going to win? I think it might be this one. And I can bet part. Bet this. And he put it in there. And then, after a while, yes. If he wins, I'll probably get a better part. So let's do a quick fight. And see if I win. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much going to win. No! Ah, how? He literally shot me once, and I literally did like a 360 no-scope flip. That wasn't 360 actually. What? I wish I could go back and see that again. See how you did that. Okay, this one that I think I might win. Why do I flip? Wait, is it the bottle? Is the bottle make me flip? Is that bottle literally making me flip? Okay. Look at the bottle. And the bottle's on. Yes, this bottle's make... Oh. I have to take off the bottle. Okay, where are you? No, I want this. No. I don't care if I lose health. That thing's not making me lose 100% of the time. Okay, now let's see if I look, I won't flip if I'm correct. Yeah, see, look, now it's a little bit easier. Ah, super close. But I didn't flip. So that ball just made me flip twice, actually, I think like 2 or 3 times, which is crazy. Nope. Wait, there's this. Okay, I can do that. Sure. I guess I can try it. No, he got me driving over him. Since it's like really flat, it's easy to drive right over. Oh, I should have thought about that. Okay, we need to upgrade this. This needs to be a better thing. I don't know what to use. I really want to see what this is. This is just 30 damage. If you look at everything else, 9. Okay, you know what? I'm going to try the chainsaw. Just once. See if that is really good. Hey. Oh, wait. I just noticed I put the chainsaw. This car doesn't work with the chainsaw. Do you know that now you have sponsors? They want you to win, and they will be sending parts and coins time by time to take. So they give me a bowler, a drill, a chainsaw, a titan, and a knob, and a roller, and a health toolbox. Okay, so this health toolbox. Yeah, so if I put it... Anyway, first I need to change my weapon. 100% right here. Get back here. So I think I should probably upgrade it. Okay, wait. I do that, and then... Yeah, I need to upgrade. No, okay. This... Okay, how much does this do? Maybe if I put this in, okay, it's gonna take 900. But now I'm on level 3, which is perfect. And now I'm on level 4, which means it takes 13 damage and has 5 out of 6, whatever that is. Oh, I just noticed you can sort them out. So, do I want this one? Or, wait, can I actually upgrade it? So, can I, like, do that? Oh, you can! It makes it so it has more health. Okay, so, I'm actually going to do that. Wait, I might wait to actually think about it. And they have wheels. And then I have this. Okay, I think I should... Okay, let's watch it, see if I won. Yes! Oh! So that's what it does. Okay. So, actually, I messed it up. So you you lose your parts. Okay, so if I go... How do you make it all again? Is it this one? Whatever, so how I made this... I put this in. That means it has 1% to surfer, I don't know. I think pretty much 1 extra health if you put it on. And that makes it so it's easier to kill. But you also have a chance to lose it. So if I put this in and, you know, fail or pick the wrong one, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. If I pick the wrong one and he loses, I lose that. But if I win, it gains a little bit more. Also, I'm going to try this. Oh, it's not enough power. So wait, if I put this on, there you go. Oh, I don't get it. I'm getting confused by this now. So I'm gonna keep the rocket. Let's try quick fight. This looks good. Yes. And I should get a crate now, or box, whatever. Yeah. Okay, it has to take 2 hours, so I could open it up now, but let's just wait. Okay, let's do another bet. Okay, so which one would win? I think this one might. And I'm going to bet. Okay, what should I bet? This is hard. Okay, which one do I think I should probably use this one. So let's bet it and see if I can upgrade it. Because I'm 100% he should win. With the physics he's using and that kind of stuff, yeah. Because it's easy to flip. So let's do another one of these battles and see if I win. And then hopefully, once I'm done. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Oh, I won. Why did I say oh? I don't know. I said oh because I won. She has defended 2 times, so I get money for winning. For really fine me. Let's do another one because I feel like I can win another one. He made a mistake because he picked the wrong type of car for the wrong wheels. I'm a champion, apparently. Okay, the battle's about to start. Let's see if we can do one more. I don't know. I want to do these battles. So it looks like he has like a little defense box. Oh, this one has a flip. This car's really good, but what do I have this one? Do I actually have that one? Let me see if I have that one. Oh, I do. This is it. Oh, I found my car. Okay, so I need wheels. Okay, just I can put. Oh, okay. I should probably keep the same size wheels. That's not the same size. I meant this one. And then, where's my rocket? 'Cause that rocket's like the best thing to me. Here it is. Oh, this is so good. And then I should probably upgrade to health. So, okay, how did I do it? Okay, I don't really care. You guys can ask. Okay, let's see if I win. Oh. Okay, actually, I can get it for free. Which is perfectly fine. I actually like that. Whoever that was. Yeah, I might use it. Okay, so this is actually really good. I think let's try out. What is this really good? Let's see. Yes, I won. Okay, wait, can I open more than one? No, I can't. Oh, I can only open one at a time. It's very annoying. Okay, should we go to a championship? I don't know if we have any time. Let's try it. Okay, let's do whatever this is. Ah. I think I'm going to win this one. Yes, by Slither, though. Okay, so that's 2 fights after this one. Ooh, it's going to be close. Yes, I won. Oh, I have to do 9 fights. Yes, this car is very good. He forgot his weapon. I just instant won this. He had to put a chainsaw with giant wheels. This is how people mess up. Look at his health and damage compared to mine. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Yes. Okay, so I lost that one. It's gonna be close. Oh, I see one more tag. Oh, here you go. I have to win this one. There you go. Yes, I'm a champion. Hey, where's the box? Okay, which ticket do I want? Let's just choose this fairy wings, or whatever that is. We got Bigfoot, which is good on Sneaky. We got Rocket, which is good on Surfer. Is that the one I'm wearing? Because I might actually use that. We got the Titan. We got the... Ooh, this is really good. This is the one that I saw that flips. It's good on Surfer, which is also... Then a Power Toolbox. Okay, so which one am I wearing? Please say it's Surfer. I would absolutely love you if it's Surfer. Wait, it's Classic. Which one's Surfer? I swear I have Surfer somewhere. Boulder. Okay, let's go to... Which one is it? Okay, it's this one. So Titan. I don't care. Though it is the end of the episode. Hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe. And see you guys next time.